Did you know that not all narcissists look the same? Some are loud and aggressive, while others are quiet and manipulative. But which one is more dangerous? We are diving deep into the world of narcissism to answer one crucial question. Which is more abusive, an overt or a covert narcissist? Narcissism is a personality disorder that exists on a spectrum, but two main types stand out: overt and covert. The overt narcissist is the textbook version, grandiose, attention-seeking, and arrogant. The covert narcissist, on the other hand, is subtle, playing the victim, and using passive-aggressive tactics to control others. Both can be harmful, but the way they inflict damage is very different. So, which one causes more harm? Stay with me as we break it down. Understanding overt narcissism. Overt narcissists are easy to spot. They crave admiration, dominate conversations, and show little empathy. Their abusive tactics include yelling, belittling, and openly demeaning others. They use intimidation and fear to maintain control. Example: a boss who constantly humiliates employees in meetings, taking credit for their work while tearing them down. Understanding covert narcissism. Covert narcissists are more deceptive. They appear sensitive, introverted, or even insecure. They manipulate through guilt, playing the victim and gaslighting. Unlike overt narcissists, they don't openly seek admiration but expect it in subtle ways. Example: a partner who constantly makes you feel guilty for their unhappiness while refusing to take responsibility for their own actions. Which one is more abusive? Both types cause emotional and psychological damage, but in different ways. Overt narcissists are obvious, making it easier to recognize and distance yourself. Covert narcissists operate in the shadows, making their abuse harder to identify, often leading to long-term emotional damage. Research suggests that covert narcissistic abuse can be more insidious because it erodes self-esteem over time without the victim realizing it. How to protect yourself. Recognizing the signs early is key. Whether overt or covert, narcissists thrive on control. Set firm boundaries and don't engage in their manipulations. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals to help navigate difficult relationships. Remember, it's not your job to fix a narcissist, but it is your right to protect your mental health. Both overt and covert narcissists can be abusive, but in different ways. While overt narcissists attack outright, covert narcissists manipulate from behind the scenes. The best defense? Awareness and boundaries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever encountered a narcissist? Let's talk about it.